Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how we can put the fingerprint unlock to your WhatsApp account. Yes, guys, if you are using WhatsApp on your Android phone and if you want to put a fingerprint locker, then this is the right way for you. Okay, let me show you how. Before jumping to the tutorial, if you are watching my video first time, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let me show you how we can put the finger password in single click. Yes guys, this is very easy. Don't skip the video. Open the WhatsApp, then you will find three dots in the top corner. Click on that. Now select settings, then find accounts. Click on that. Now go to the privacy. Click on the privacy. Then scroll to the end. There you will find fingerprint lock. It is disabled right now in my system. So click on that. Now you can find it is disabled. So change it to enable. Now it will ask you to confirm your fingerprint. So put your finger on the fingerprint scanner. Now we can see we have three options. That is, so once you don't use the application, do want to immediately lock, you can select the first option, and if you want to lock after 1 minute, then you can select the second option. In my case, I will use after 1 minute because some case we will come back before 1 minute. I want to use the WhatsApp. In such cases, we have to unlock the WhatsApp every time by using fingerprint. That's why I prefer the second option. Now you can disable the show content in notification. So if you want to really have the privacy and if you don't want to show your content to others in terms of notifications, then you can disable this. Now go back and close the WhatsApp. Friend, let me open the WhatsApp now. Now you can see it is asking the fingerprint confirmation. So now once you confirm, it will open again. Guys, this is how we can put the fingerprint lock to your WhatsApp account. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please like, comment and share. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.